Hey y'all, and welcome to the Southland Piper. I'm your host Tim. Hope you're doing well today. Well, today's video, I thought I would share a purchase that I made at a estate sale, local estate sale. So let's turn around to the workbench and take a look. Okay, let's take a closer look. Now, first thing I'm going to point out is they have these tags on there, and I've got several Dunhill, which they are, but had 7 or 8 pipes that had these French pipe label. I don't know why they did that. I suspect they just didn't know what they were doing that much because number one, $48 is a really good deal for a Dunhill. So that makes me happy. So $40 for each pipe. Let's just start over here. Now I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These first 5 are all from the patent era. And this one is a little unusual. They had some they put out as golf clubs, and this one has a H period W period, which means hand worked. Unfortunately, it's got a replacement stem on it, and could drill it and put in a white dot. May think about that, but it's a shame. But the I've never worked with any patent era pipes. My understanding, I think they're from 1905 to 1934, I do believe. But that's the first one in that. Here's a nice panel, good sized pipe, and all these have very little chatter on it. I've got one that's probably got the most, and it's still not bad at all. So no real tooth damage from on any of these. This one, oh, and this first one, looking it up, 1926 is what I came up with on that one. And I haven't gotten the date on all of them yet, but I'm working on it. So here's a ODA shape 836, and it's the patent era. This one's a nice pipe. Really good condition. These patent era ones are really in nice condition. Little tan shell. Very pretty little pipe here, this shell. Unfortunately, I do believe this is a repair band on here. Let me see if it'll come off. It's terribly tight. I don't know how well y'all be able to see it, but I've got just a little crack right there. So this is a repair band, I'm sure. But the pipe's in great shape. Otherwise, somebody cleaned it up. The nomenclature is a little muddled down toward this end. I really can't read a date on it, but it's in nice shape other than the repair. And my last patent era is this nice little bent. I think it's from 1937, and it's probably got the heaviest of the carbon cake built up on, or carbon built up on the rim. It's probably the worst one. Although this one has a little beat down damage. This one is from 1959, which is my birth year. This makes the third model of this pipe that I've gotten in my possession. I don't know what it is about this particular model that I keep running into because I smoke filtered pipes, and this one is a Dunhill filtered pipe. My other 2 are filtered as well. I don't know if it means I'm supposed to keep this one, but I don't know. I just keep running into them, which I guess I'm just fortunate. Let's see. ODA pipe, this one as well. Again, very nice condition. I haven't dated this one yet, but it's a root briar. Let me turn my page of my notes here. Now, this panel right here, I was thinking I dated it. It's the briar. I think it's from 1992 maybe, but it's unsmoked. It has not been smoked. So that's a nice pipe. Nice. It's got some little dings being stored around and banged in by other different things, the little dings here and there, but unsmoked. Another one of that model, but in the sandblast. Another nice pipe. Let's see. Here's a nice big billiard. Good nomenclature on it as well. They're all in really good shape. Won't take a whole lot to get them really in nice condition. Let's see. This is a Briar. It's a model 792. Yep. Here's one of the smaller ones. Let's see. I haven't made notes for on all of them yet. Oh, this is this DRA2, which I'm going to have to look up. It's from 1964, but I haven't run across one that's got that nomenclature on it. Yeah, DRA2, the number 2. And then the last 6 are all the same model of Bulldog, which is the ODA 837. So he really liked that shape. This one contains my worst stem, if you can call that a worst stem. That's just not bad at all. That will actually sand off. So got really lucky on that aspect. But he pretty much. Oh, let's see. This one's a shell. See what this one says. This one's a shell, so he liked the shells pretty well. This one's a shell. This one may be a tan shell. Yeah, this is a tan shell. So 3 shells, a tan shell, and I don't know if it says anything on this one or not. If I can find it. I'm skipping over it. Seeing it but not seeing it. Oh, that's a root briar. And this was just a briar. But I'm fortunate. This was an estate sale, and they had 20 pipes available for sale, and I picked up 18 of them. One was a Barling, and I can't remember what the other one was. I probably should have grabbed the Barling as well. But man, any day you can buy a Dunhill for $48, I guess you should jump on it, and I did. But I hope you found this little video to be entertaining, and appreciate you sharing your time with me today, and hope to talk to you soon. Bye.